I'm here to tell you that you can beat debt collector lawsuits if you just know what to do, know how to respond. You can beat them. And we specialize in beating debt collectors when they're coming to sue you in court, when they buy debt and they're trying to collect it as a third party debt collector. Now, what I have here in my hands, is a client who just got over $100,000 where he won his case. They are coming after him for over $100,000. But I wanted to let you hear him. He made it left us a voicemail. We wasn't able to answer when he called in. He left a voicemail, and I think that when you hear what he has to say, that you will think that it's very powerful. And if you have a debt collection company coming after you, I think that you might want to at least give us a shot at looking at what we might be able to do for you with the service that we provide. So I'm going to play his recording. I will blank out his name when we get to that part.
Hello, good afternoon. My message will be a little bit long. First, I want to thank you very much for Mr. Williams that makes all the video on the YouTube. I learned a lot. I did use your services. I got almost over $100,000 dismissed. Again, over $100,000 with your help. Respond to my case, got dismissed. And the two key things that I learned from your video is the first thing is questioning the bill of sale or transfer, because that doesn't have your name and your account on it. It therefore, by court rule, is not showing that they are the bank. So whoever bought my loan, which is LLB, is not the new owner, because they're not able to approve that document to the court. And the second thing is time bar, very important. A lot of people overlook on that, and you have to show up to court. You got to respond. You don't have to pay, but to the bank, do not pay, and you have to show up to court and respond to their letter. And that's how I got my over $100,000 dismissed. But
all right, so I'm gonna end it there. And he said, but what he want to do next is he wants to become a client to get his credit cleared because the information was still on his credit reports. But that's nothing new. If you watch my videos, what do I say? We deal with one thing first, and then you use the documentation from that to get the information removed off your credit reports. It'll be just like a smooth, easy transition now. But let's be clear about something. $100,000, or almost $100,000. This man was facing a civil court case for almost $100,000. And it got dismissed based off of the information that I provide to you on this YouTube channel and also the services. He did buy the service where we put together his response to the court, to the court summons. And you can see just with his words, he was very excited that he was successful. And now, if you're let's just put it on the table. You can't win unless you try, unless you fight. But everyone is not suited to go into court and fight. He wanted to go into court. He wanted to have the best chance to win in court. And that's what we gave for him. Other people might say, I don't want to go to court. I just want to try to settle this out of court. There is nothing wrong with either one. It just depends on what you want to do. We're not the type of company that tells you what to do. You do what you feel you want to do, and we help assist you with getting that done. So if you want to work with settlements, we can work with that. Or if you want to take it all the way like he did and take your chances on it to win, you can do that. Now, just so you know, almost $100,000. So now, what I want you to do is I want you to like this video, because we need more people to know about this that we're offering, about what I teach on my YouTube channel, the information that I share. We need to get my numbers to 100,000 people. And the only way we're going to get to 100,000 people is to let people know that what I share is real. Like this stuff here, just imagine if he had a $100,000 judgment against him. If he didn't find me on YouTube, he could potentially have a $100,000 judgment against him. So I think that right there, I wish that somewhere I could get 30,000 subscribers just off of that. Next thing is if you have a court case from a third party debt collector or the original creditor and you need help, we will do a free review. Go to my website, thecreditrepairshop.com. Link is below this video. You can go there, upload your court summons, and we will tell you straight up how we can help. If you have a judgment that's already entered, we can help you reopen that. Just tell us what went on and be upfront and honest with us so we can be 100% telling you the solutions that are available to you. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. That's the way that we repair credit. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. And if you have debt collectors coming after you early, you could use my 3-pack of letters because that can actually stop debt collectors. That can actually stop debt collectors early before it gets to this situation right here. The link is below this video. I do ask for a donation on those, but it's well worth it if it could save you time, money, and frustration. That's what this is all about, is saving you time by helping you with doing what we do or to give you the information so you don't have to search all around to get it. Money is if you get your credit repaired, you're going to automatically save money because you're going to pay less in payments, less in interest rates. So that's saving you money. And then frustration. You don't want to deal with the frustration of not being able to get approved with your credit. You don't want to deal with the frustration of having to go into court and not know what you can do. So this makes sense. It's full circle. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to the channel, post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.